Only 1 in 100 people can get all 7 right? Are you one of them? Question number 1. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Answer C. Diamond. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Answer C. Na. Which planet has the most moons? Answer B. Saturn. What is the speed of light in vacuum? Answer B. 300,000 kilometers. What part of the cell contains DNA? Answer C. Nucleus. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Answer C. Nitrogen. What is the pH value of pure water? Answer C. 7. Only 1 in 100 people can get all 7 right? Are you one of them?